Okay, so if you are thinking that you want to remove this text over here, I will show you how to do it. It can get a little bit technical, but if you just follow my flow, you should be okay. What you should do is return to your administration dashboard. Under Appearance, go to Editor. Okay, so you're gonna get this pop-up here. Just click the button I understand. Scroll down. Find the file called footer.php, which is here. The file title is theme footer. Click on it. Go down. So this is the code to build your website footer. This is the code that you want to remove. How to do that? All you need to do is just to comment out this section here. To comment it out, meaning that what you want to do is to disable it, not to delete it, but just to disable it so that it will not appear. So to do that, just give it a slash asterisk and ends it with an asterisk and a slash, like this. So once you have done that, click on Update File. Then return to your website. And as you can see, the text has disappeared. That's all to it. Now what I would suggest you to do is to at least leave your name on the things that you changed. So I'm just gonna leave my name and the date that I changed it. Well, this is a good practice that I usually do so that anytime that I want to disable or undo any changes that I've done, I'll just go and search for my name and I could see all the changes. Then from there, I could undo those changes.